Whiteboard, I hope you can all see it. I just kind of put the steps up here. So the Bluetown build process that Quinn uses, so Pixie to a base VM image, to adding each content VM, Ironwave, Wikipedia, Bluetown production base, that is totally the same. And we're just adding for Ikitabu the same process, but we're building a VM automatically. So I just want to remind everyone that step for Ikitabu is that we're doing an auto build with Karam's code under management. There's a new link that I sent out in mail. I think it was very late, or very early Sunday morning. That actually pre-builds the packer. So we're really just running Vagrant to build the virtual box file. Then we're going to test the IP and URL, and then that's going to allow the testers, so Crystal, Brian, Vince, to actually start doing your tests. Also, the third step is if you're in the field with no internet, you're going to use this all on USB. So this will go to the technician in the eastern corridor of Ghana. Okay, so hope you can all see that whiteboard. I'll send a picture as well. And then I'm just in my mail here, and I'm going to Karam's site. So that's on the screen. You can see that it is KYAAQBA// quick setup. So I'm going to clone or download it. I'm going to download this. I'm going to open this in my GitHub desktop, and then I'm going to show this in the Finder. Now all I'm going to see is actually just one file, because thanks to the magic of Karam working crazy, that's all we need. So we're going to go ahead and okay, I'm going to start that again. I was actually logged into the Vagrant dealy here, so I'm going to clear my screen so you have more room to see. I'm going to go to my GitHub location, my GitHub desktop. I'm going to show my file in Finder, and I'm just going to Ikitabu quick setup, and then I'm just going to go into my shell and say bash, and then I'm just going to drag Karam script into here, and this password is my local admin password, and it's asking, is it okay to download the Java developer kit? And I'm going to say, why yes it is. And so it's now downloading the pre-built files that Karam built for us. So together we wanted to make it easier for you to have this all pre-built, so it would be easier to get to testing. So thank you very much, Karam, for that excellent work. And it's going to take a while. We're just going to do it in real time. It's not too long. And I don't have any funny jokes here on Saturday morning, or Sunday morning. And then it says, do you see the virtualbox.zip? Do you want to replace all? I'm going to say all. Oops. I'm going to say capital all. And that's just going to overwrite all of the VirtualBox files. So we have the Ubuntu 18.4 latest stable build .box version. Okay. Now it says use Vagrant to create the virtual machine. I'm going to say enter. I'm going to say enter to continue. It's going to create something called a web server, which is what we've called this file that we're creating. And that web server says that was successful. Say enter to continue. Say enter to continue to start up the virtual machine. Now we're going to bring up the virtual machine. Now we want to enter to continue to bring up SSH, secure shell. And as you can see, we are now running the Ubuntu 18.4 version of the file that we are looking for. Okay, so by the way, thanks to the good work of Karam, I did a little bit of work along the way, but he's the big brain in this whole thing. And I really appreciate how much work he's done to get here. So now we have something called Vagrant. We have a login here, right? So we've got the VirtualBox running. And then I just wanted to show you the document that you guys should have all gotten from me at about Sunday morning, super early. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to turn off the current Ikitabu VM, right, powered off in VirtualBox. Then we're going to go into network settings and change it from NAT to bridge. Okay, we're just going to bridge our network. Then we're going to run sudo apt dash git space install space net dash tools. Okay, then we're going to run ipconfig to see what our IP address is. Okay, and you'll see right in there that the IP address in this case on ChromeSbox is 10.0.1.117. And then we're just going to simply go to that location to start our test. Okay. Now I know it's Sunday morning or Sunday lunchtime here, but the reason I did this is so you could all get working on it in Kenya. Brian and Matt and Line, Quinn, and Crystal, you could get working on it where you are in Copenhagen. So thank you very much, everybody. Go team. And if you need to, please reach out at any time. Appreciate your work. See you guys.